In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a section to another notebook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to duplicate an entire section, pages, attachments, and layout included, into a different notebook, and you'll understand the difference between copying and moving so you can choose what's best for your workflow. First, open the notebook that contains the section you want to duplicate. Make sure you're looking at the notebook where the section currently lives. This keeps things simple and helps you confirm you're working with the right content before you send it elsewhere. Next, locate the section tab you want to copy. Section tabs usually appear along the side or across the top of your notes interface, and each one groups a set of related pages. Right-click the tab of the section you want to duplicate to bring up its context menu. If you're on a touch device, a press and hold typically does the same thing. Take a quick moment to verify you've selected the correct section, especially if you keep similarly named sections. From the context menu, choose Move or Copy. Different apps may style this slightly differently, but the option will clearly indicate it can either move or copy your section. Selecting it opens a dialog box that controls where the content goes. In the dialog box, select the destination notebook. You'll see a list of notebooks available to you. Pick the one where you want the duplicate to live. This step is all about placement. Selecting the correct notebook ensures your copied section appears exactly where you expect, keeping your notes organized and easy to find later. Finally, decide whether you want to copy or move. Click Copy to create a duplicate of the section in the destination notebook while leaving the original in place. This is the safest choice when you're reorganizing or sharing a reference set of notes, or click Move if you intend to relocate the section entirely and no longer need it in the original notebook. Moving keeps your structure tidy without leaving duplicates behind. Once you confirm, the app will process the action. Your copied section will appear in the destination with the same name and the same pages in the same order. If your notes sync to the cloud, give it a moment to finish updating across your devices. And that's it. Open the source notebook, right-click the section tab, choose Move or Copy, select the destination, and then click Copy or Move if you're transferring. When in doubt, start with Copy so you can review everything before making permanent changes.